Hi everybody, Karl Kjarsgaard calling you from the Baltic Sea on board the River Thames, our salvage tugboat. We're anchored right over top of RCAF Halifax HR871, and we're just starting day 2, and I want to show you one of the treasures of day 1. We found the flaps under the water. We're going to salvage those soon, but here I want to show you the treasure. So this is a panel at the flap control position on the bottom of the Halifax wing. And you see the black combat paint, and even more treasure on the other side. When the divers were discovering this panel, all they could see was this corner sticking out of the sand. And they said, well, we must check everything. So they checked this panel, and under 2 or 3 inches of sand was this panel. And even after, I hope we can get this in detail close up, even after 79 years, you can still read important: lock flap lever in cockpit to prevent injury. And so after 79 years, we now have a beautiful piece of the Halifax. And folks, I know it looks messy, but this panel can be restored and used on an aircraft in the museum. So my guys that are diving, they're really doing a good job. They're playing detective. They're finding good treasures. And this is what happens when you have a lot of fresh water in the Baltic Sea. You can save history and save treasure. So just another good indicator of we're doing good work.